Plant growth does not occur overnight. It is a slow process and requires patience and constant care. But what if I tell you there are two very crucial organic products that you can use as supplement to your soil to quickly grow plants? They improve your existing soil structure, enhance the quality of soil like aeration, water retention and drainage system. They can increase the plant's nutrient uptake and water absorption quality, and thus making the plant grow much faster and promoting its flower and fruit setting. You can actually see their effects within a month after applying them. In this video, I will share those products which I applied in these plants a month back and got these amazing results in only 1 month. I haven't used any other fertilizer or other products apart from these two organic supplements. So let's begin. First, discuss what are the essential factors for root growth. Roots play a crucial role in absorbing water and nutrients from the soil, providing stability to the plant and storing energy. Growing a healthy root system is essential for the overall growth and vitality of the plants. There is no doubt that a good quality soil is one of the most important factors for it. It doesn't matter how much fertilizer you add to your soil if the soil quality is not good enough. The plant simply can't uptake the fertilizers. An ideal potting mix should be lightweight, not too loose or too compact. It should have good drainage quality, and at the same time, it should retain sufficient amount of water, and it should be rich in organic matter. Fortunately, the organic products I am talking about can be used even you have a poor quality soil. Note that the products I am talking about are not fertilizers, rather they are called soil amendments. They can drastically improve the quality of your soil. They improve the soil structure, its water retention and nutrient movement within the soil. They provide a healthy environment for the roots to grow and eventually the plants to thrive. The first product is known as VAM or Vesicular Arbuscular Mycorrhiza or simply mycorrhiza. It's actually a beneficial fungus that plays an important role in root growth and improves physical and biological properties of soil. We know that phosphorus is the second macronutrient required by the plants next to nitrogen, and it is essential for early development of roots. But it is one of the most difficult nutrients for plants to uptake because phosphorus has low solubility and low mobility and thus usually gets trapped inside the soil. So it is very likely that your soil has enough phosphorus present inside it, but your plants cannot take those as the roots cannot reach to those trapped phosphorus. In this situation, again applying phosphorus-rich fertilizers will actually do harm to your plants. And here the mycorrhiza plays an important role in the uptake of phosphorus. These beneficial fungi form a symbiotic association with plant's root. These fungi obtain carbon compound like sugars from the host plant, and in return, through their specialized structure, they form a sort of secondary root system for the plant. So the effective root system now becomes bigger than the actual roots. This enhanced root system makes the plant capable of absorbing more nutrients like phosphorus and water, which are otherwise out of reach for the plant's actual roots or were trapped inside the soil. There are different types of mycorrhizal fungi. The most useful among them for the plants are these VAM. There are many brands in the market who make mycorrhiza. I will put down some buying links for those in the description box. Here I am using Ralligold from the company Tata Ralligold. I have been using this product for a long time, and in my opinion, it is one of the best products in Indian market. It is a unique mixture of mycorrhiza with humic acid and amino acid. All these products help in overall root and plant's growth. It comes in two forms. This is the granular ones and another is in powder form. Both of these are equally good. You need to directly apply this in the soil. 2 to 5 gram per plant is recommended. Being an organic product, it doesn't harm if you apply more than the recommended doses. You can apply it in any plant, vegetable, flowering, fruiting, ornamental or any indoor plants. You can even mix it while preparing the soil or sowing the seeds or when you transplant new seedling, even any time during the plant's growing season. Apply it just 2 or 3 times in a year. You'll start noticing its benefits within weeks. Just remember that as it is basically a fungus, do not apply chemical fungicide directly in the soil within 2 weeks of applying this mycorrhizal product. The chemical fungicide will kill those beneficial fungi. However, you can still apply chemical fertilizer or pesticides if you need. There is no harm in that. The mycorrhiza will gradually improve soil health, enhance plant growth, and increase the crop yields. Now coming to the second product, it is also an organic product that further improves the power of beneficial soil microorganisms and provides sustainable solution for modern agriculture. It is called humic acid, which is naturally formed during long-term decomposition and transformation of biomass residue. The product I am using has a mixture of humic acid, fulvic acid, and potassium humate. I will again put down some buying link in the description box. All of these ingredients have been scientifically tested for better and healthier growth of plants. In fact, they can increase up to 70% in crop yields while applying them with other fertilizers in compared to the application of only chemical fertilizers. Again, remember that it is not a fertilizer, it acts as a conditioner for the soil and as a biocatalyst or biostimulant for the plant. Using humic acid in the soil has many advantages. It improves the structure of soil, helps the soil loosen and crumble, thus increases aeration of soil, also increases water holding capacity of soil. It also naturally regulates the pH values of soil. It retains water-soluble inorganic fertilizer in the root zone and reduces leaching of those. It promotes the conversion of NPK or other macro or micro element into some other forms which can be easily taken by the plants. In summary, the humic acid along with the fulvic acid stimulates root growth, enables better uptake of nutrients and thus enhances its vegetative growth and increases the quality of yields. You can apply the product directly in the soil. It can be applied in any plants and any time during its growing season. 2 grams of this product per plant is sufficient. Most of these humic acid and fulvic acid products available in the market are also water soluble. You can also apply them as foliar spray or soil drench. Add 2 grams of this into 1 liter of normal water and pour it near the roots in the soil for root uptake. Remember that the soil should be slightly moist to achieve the best uptake result. Now these are the results I got after just 1 month of applying these 2 products in my eggplants. I haven't used any other fertilizers apart from those. You can see the differences here. It is clear that the combined application of mycorrhiza and humic acid likely had an excellent effect on the growth of my eggplants. Mycorrhiza improved the root system's efficiency in nutrient uptake, while humic acid enriched the soil with organic matter and nutrients, creating an ideal environment for plant growth. As a result, within just 1 month, the eggplants exhibited rapid growth, increased foliage, and a beautiful harvest of high-quality fruits. I suggest that you must try these 2 bioproducts in your plants. You can even achieve better result when you apply this along with your regular organic or inorganic fertilizers. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a brand new video.